Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZER. Today I am in Kocaeli and I would like to introduce brand new luxury properties for you today. First of all, starting getting tour, I have to get attention about the general specification of the project. We have 6,000 square meters total project area. On this 6,000 square meters project area, there are 3 blocks and 54 luxury properties not available. You should hurry up. Between the 54 properties, only 3 of them is available. So that if you are serious to buy something in this district, this is good time to get it. What we have other specifications for the project. This section is separated for outdoor parking lot section, and inside the compound the masjid is also directly its own masjid is available. Design of the properties was designed according to the requirements of the GCC people. You are gonna see inside when we get inside the property, what does it mean? For instance, each room is the master room inside the project, and we have indoor parking lot sections too, but I don't want to show you right now because otherwise the video will be so long. And the other important good thing about the buildings, each block contains 2 lifts inside it, and rent the clock security is available. I'm gonna show you as a sample also this property is on the market too. A garden duplex. It's beautiful, huge garden duplex, which is containing 290 square meters grocery inside it with 4 rooms, 5 bathrooms and 1 living room. These are the 2 lifts which are located inside the building, but we don't need to use the lifts because our property is such a garden duplex. Let's discover that garden duplex together. This is huge property, to be honest, when I consider the general physical condition of the other properties in Turkey. This is such a huge. We are talking about almost 300 square meters. This is the room for kids or a master room section. You can consider, you can use as a master room or room for kids section. And look at that beautiful view. We are just 12 minutes far away from here to city center, and you can see that cable separated for the AC. You can put the AC in each room in this property, and heating system of the property is working with the natural gas system. And as I mentioned before, each room is the master room inside it. I told you before, normally we don't use the shut-off, but this property was designed according to requirement of the GCC people. In this case, shut-off is available in each bathroom. Fire alarm systems available, classical and LED lighting systems are available. I'm gonna use my phone because the quality of the light is a little bit less. You are gonna see this section getting tied with the living room and kitchen section. When we reach this section, another room for kids section is welcoming us, and right over here there is a bathroom is available too, and you can see the AC pipes over here. You can ask me about this dirty detail. It's an obligation till you are opening your membership for the natural gas. It has to be remain like that. After buy this property, we can paint these pipes, natural gas pipes, for the white color. And when we reach this section, there is another room for kids section is available. I'm repeating the specification of the property. We have 4 rooms, 5 bathrooms and 1 living room. Gross area of the property is 290 square meters, almost 300 square meters. This is the bathroom section of this room, and when we reach this section, there is another balcony is welcoming us over here. I have to tell you, this is one of the good thing about this property. I know the garden section seems a little bit mess, but in close future, the compound management of the compound will take care about these sections too. You have more than 100 square meters garden usage. Yani, when we consider total usage area of the property, we have more than 390 square meters property. It is nowadays much more bigger than the regular villas in Turkey. And when we keep continuing our tour, look at that beautiful living room section. Look at the highness of the ceiling. It is almost 4 meters. It is amazing, ultra spacious living area is available over here, and you can reach the balcony and you are looking for the green valley. The highness of the trees increased up so that it blocks the lake view from here, but you can reach your balcony. Look, there are another garden duplex. This area, this area is sharing by just 2 properties. Half of this area belongs to that garden duplex, this garden duplex. It's beautiful and lovely, and we are talking about more than 400 square meters property. And please check it out, the description section. You can find the detail of the price on the description section, and here is the kitchen section. And when I look the material of the kitchens, these are the mashallah lucky MDF kitchen cabinets used, and as a countertop acrylic Galaxy Star, we call it Galaxy Star material were used. Mashallah tabarakallah, all the materials are first quality. I can say that easily because I know the type of the materials because of my profession. Wallah brothers, these are pretty good. These are MDF, not cheap properties, not cheap materials. These are pretty good. And also you can put your AC in kitchen too. And when we reach this section, there is another room section is welcoming us. Look at the highness of the ceiling. Fire alarm system, classical lighting systems are available. You can see the AC pipes over here, and there is a small bathroom is available for this room. And advantage of this room, you can reach your own garden from this room too. This is the interior situation of this property, and this is the machine room. You can put your washing machine and grinding machine over here. You can see the sink over there. There is another extra WC, and there is another sink. And before finalizing our video, I want to remind you the specification of the properties. We have 6,000 square meters project area. On the 6,000 square meters project area, there are 3 blocks, 54 properties available. But between these 54 properties, there are only 3 properties are on the market. 2 of them is like this. One of them is containing 170 square meters grocery inside it with 3 rooms plus 1 living room. You should hurry up. If you watch this video, please check the published date of the video. If it's not too late, please contact with me and look at that beautiful view. Inside the compound, there are indoor and outdoor parking lot sections are available, plus outdoor swimming pools available right over here, right over there. You can see the drone shots, and as a distance from here to city center of Kocaeli, it takes just 12 minutes. For more information and catching these opportunities, please directly contact with me. My name is Hakan OZER. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button, and please not forget to click the ring the bell button. In this case, you can notice when we upload the new videos to our channel. Thanks for watching, and fi aman Allah. You can reach why it is not opening. I don't know why it's not opening. I think I should pardon me, there are a lot of sections are available inside property. Ne yapıyorum lan ben? Elim ayağıma karıştı. Neyse, buraları keser.